Hi class! Our cooking lab next week is Pasta Bake, a delicious entree with penne pasta, cheese, and tomato sauce. Our cooking terms are boil, simmer, and broil. We'll be using boiling water to cook our pasta. You know it's boiling when there are large bubbles everywhere. Once we add the pasta to the water, we'll be turning down the heat to simmer when there are only small bubbles around the bottom and edges of the pot. As a special treat, we'll be making garlic bread, and we'll be using broiling in the oven to cook the garlic bread. This is when you use only the top heat to cook your food. So let's make some pasta. Our ingredients include butter, Parmesan cheese, and mozzarella cheese, fresh onions, tomato sauce, and penne pasta. We'll also be adding ground beef as an option. You'll need your liquid measuring cups, your dry measuring cups, the measuring spoons, glass bowls, the colander, a glass baking dish, a stainless steel skillet, and a stainless steel pot. The first step in the pasta recipe is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then add water in your stainless steel pot about halfway up, and turn the heat up high until the water boils. Once it boils, add the pasta. Then turn to medium heat and let the pasta simmer. Next, get your skillet. You'll be adding butter to the skillet and then the onions. Cook the onions until they're golden brown along the edges, then set them in a glass dish and set them to the side. Next, add your ground beef to the skillet. It's important you cook the ground beef all the way through. Cut one piece open to make sure that no pink remains in the center of the meat. Then you know it's done. Now check your pasta. It should be finished, and drain it in the sink using the colander. Remember to drain a little bit of the water at a time and step back to let the steam move out of the way so you don't get burned. Next, measure your tomato sauce in your liquid measuring cups. Add the pasta to a bowl, then add your tomato sauce. If your team has decided to add the onions and beef, go ahead and mix that in. Once it's mixed, place it into the glass baking dish. Measure out your Parmesan and mozzarella cheese and spread it evenly on the top of the pasta. Place the pasta in the oven to bake for about 10 minutes. The cheese will be melted and bubbly. Delicious. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.